Hi guys, welcome to techsunjay YouTube channels. Today you will know how to open the Chrome browser in current tab. Okay, in this tab your password and whatever you will search, the history is not saved in this tab. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, open our Chrome browser application. Okay, then you will click on more option. This is more option, and click on more option, and three dot option, that is more option. I will one time or more explain. Click on right side, that is three dot, one time, and you will see the new dialog box is appears. Okay, then you should click on second option below the new tab option, in Incognito tab. Okay, you will click on it. You will see your current tab is appears. Okay, you can search anything in current tab, whatever you will want to search in this tab you can search. If you want to close this tab, you click on that and two new tab will open, that is Incognito tab. Okay, if you want to close this, you will click on this and you will press on close button, and you will also press on close button. You will see that in current tab is closed. Okay, this data is closed, and you will take a new tab. Click on new tab, you will see new tab will open. Okay, that is the features. The features is your history is not saved in that in current tab. Okay, thank you.